Alright, so we're here after a grueling 2 hours worth of Dallas traffic. It's freaking crazy. We are currently waiting for someone you guys may recognize. Who's this guy? I don't know who that is. Holy crap, it's one and only Joe!
It's me.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, man? You doing all right?
I'm doing all right. This is where the magic will happen.
Yeah, this is how I actually pay for YouTube. I pay for YouTube. I don't make money on YouTube. So
No.
Yeah, no. Everybody that thinks that you're sponsored to make all that money, no. This is the real deal. This is how I actually truly support myself. So, yeah. There's really not a whole lot of money made on YouTube. So
right
all
now,
those sponsorships.
I left this together
Yeah, that's fine.
because it's the air cleaner side.
Yeah.
I don't know about doing this or not because I'm going to put a bezel on it with the headlight.
Oh, yeah,
and I don't know if
yeah.
there's going to be a different shape.
No, I just made it anyway, you know.
Okay. Look at this. All right, guys.
Yeah, that's where I was taking the photos.
This is where he makes all his little magic happen.
I guess.
Is this sound deadening?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That way when I'm in here and I'm doing my podcasting, it keeps it nice and damped out and stuff. This is the shop, and then this is our warehouse, our CNC machine where we do fabrication. We do woods, plastics, metals, all that type of stuff. So I've actually got a couple of cool motorcycle things that whenever I make them, since you and I both have a 690, you will get one.
Ooh! See that? I'm special. Don't you forget it.